Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk about the templates on Jira Cloud, and I have actually covered each and every template, each and every template that comes with Jira Cloud projects, both for Jira software and Jira business based projects. And today I thought, and also for Jira service management, by the way, and I was looking at the templates today one more time. Of course, not all of them, but I did realize that there are, in fact, a lot of templates, or maybe the wording is maybe a bit different. And I thought I'll probably talk about it slightly today because, especially for those who are new to Jira and they want to get started, usually when people are thinking of using Jira, they have a problem to solve. Maybe they want to develop software, maybe they want to use it for help desk, or maybe they want to use it for their finance team, marketing team. And the good thing is that if you look at the templates, there are plenty of templates to choose from. So if you, let us say, want to use Jira for Scrum or Kanban, there are like standard templates, and we have these templates for a while. If you look at service management, I think most of the templates uh, are quite standard. I mean, we know about these templates. I prefer always using IT service management because this one has all the possible configurations and a lot of workflows, which is a good start in case you want to implement a service desk and you also want to follow ITSM practices. Also, if you look at the work management, now things are getting interesting. So you have this project management template where you have maybe a simple workflow, but if you take a look at task tracking, process control, recruitment, what Atlassian has done is they have these templates where if you want to use, maybe let us say you're in marketing. So if you're in marketing, maybe you just want to focus on email campaign. Maybe you are responsible for recruitment. You're part of the HR team. So you have this grouping that will tell you these and suggest you these templates. And by the way, on my channel, I have talked about I think a lot of these templates, but this is definitely a great uh, categorization because I can actually. I mean, there are so many templates here to choose from. Earlier, there were templates, but it was not very obvious. For example, now if I want to take a look at, let us say sales, let us say I'm responsible for my sales team. So I have this project template that I can use. I have these issue types, and it will give me a framework to begin with. And this is what I always tell new Jira users or new Jira or companies who want to start using Jira and they are not really sure and they want to maybe evaluate it and they are looking for trainings. You don't really need to do training in the beginning. Just sign up for a cloud instance and try these templates, and you will get a really good idea about the possibilities. For example, let us say you are looking at new employee onboarding. Now, when you onboard someone, you need to follow a process. Maybe you want to maybe create accounts for them, or maybe you want to set up something for them, like same sort of activities for each and every new employee. And by looking at the template, you know that you will have these workflows, for example, for signed offer, for employee documents, and so on. And the best thing that you can do is simply just go and use the template and create a project, and you will get an idea about what this project can do for you. So when you have when you have a new project to work on, just simply start using it and give it a try. Maybe spend a month or two. You have this Jira free version where you have each and every feature. I mean, almost all the features. I mean, it is quite good, to be honest. I mean, you don't really need to pay in the beginning. Of course, there are some features like permissions, and in case you're looking for advanced roadmaps, then of course, definitely you need to evaluate the premium version. But if you are absolutely new to Jira and you want to learn, or maybe you are looking for all the capabilities of the tool, I think these templates will definitely give you a great start. And the good thing about Jira is that even if you're using these templates, I think this is really important. Even if you're using these templates, feel free to modify them, because that is what these templates will do for you. You will get some set of schemes, you will get some workflows, you will get some issue types, but you can always modify them. That is a great thing. But it will give you a really good starting point to basically take a look at the capabilities of the tool. And that is all I wanted to talk about in this video. I know, a short video, but I actually wanted to talk about the templates, project templates, and I wanted to mention that you need to give it a try. You need to use the template so that you will get an idea about what Jira can offer. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new today. Thank you very much.